Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. First, confirm the watch is charged and paired so data syncs properly. Open the workout app and pick a workout type that matches your goal. Tap to set a time, distance, or calorie target, or leave it open if you prefer free tracking. Once done, swipe or press to adjust metrics shown on screen. Remember why this matters. Accurate goals guide pacing and heart rate zones for better results. Now refine tracking. Make sure wrist detection, heart rate, and GPS are enabled so readings are reliable. If metrics feel off, calibrate by walking or running for about 20 minutes with your iPhone in hand. This sharpens GPS and pace accuracy. Customize the workout screen to show the metrics you need: cadence, pace, heart rate, and elevation. Once configured, start the workout and watch real-time feedback, so you can adjust intensity and stay in the right zone. To finish, swipe or press to end and choose Save to record the session. Don't skip this step or you lose the data. Once saved, review the summary on your watch and the fitness or activity app on iPhone to inspect splits, heart rate zones, and calories. If data is missing or inaccurate, try restarting both devices, update to the latest watch OS, and verify app permissions. If problems persist, resync the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.